Welcome to TechCaliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix USB flash drive not showing on my computer. So at first, make sure you have properly plugged in your USB driver. And after that, just go to this PC. And your flash drive should be listed here. As you can see, mine isn't listed here. This is because my computer is not detecting my USB flash drive. Now, this issue mainly happens because the flash drive is not assigned to any path. That means the flash drive is not assigned to any drive letter, which is local disk C, D, E, F. It is not assigned to any of those. So to fix it, what we need to do is just come here to the start button and right click on it. Then from here, just go to disk management. Then just expand this. From here, just scroll down. And here you go. I can see my USB drive right here, but it's not showing in my computer or this PC. And to fix it, just right click on it and click on change drive letter and paths. And from here, just click on add. Then just assign it any letter. Whichever letter you want, just assign it and click on OK. After that, just go to this PC, refresh. And you should see your flash drive right here. And basically that is how to fix flash drive not showing in your computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.